Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy and today I'm going to talk about my beauty favorites, everything from DIY to hair care to lip plumping and some skincare. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Let's start with DIY. And this month, I love my collab with LEDA alum. If you haven't seen, please make sure to check it out. We give two amazing DIY beauty recipes that has turmeric in it. And the turmeric mask that I'm talking about on my video is my holy grail. Your skin will look amazing from first use. And on her channel, she talks about another mask that has turmeric that she introduced it to me, and I'm in love. It has turmeric, manuka, amla, and smells amazing. It's all natural. You can make it at home. And it was such a fun collab to shoot with her. So I'll make sure to put the link on the description box below to both my video and her video. Make sure to guys check it out. The next thing I've been loving is actually hair care, guys. And I have amazing recipes of DIYs on my channel also about hair that I'll leave in the description box below. But if you don't want to do a DIY and your hair is damaged, you should definitely try the shampoo. It's from Alterna and it's the Caviar Anti-Age Replenish Moisture Conditioner and Shampoo. It was sent to me by Alterna for review, but I've used this in the past when my hair was also super damaged, and this was the only thing that made my hair manageable. And I actually dug up the old one that I had, and sorry it's a little dinky, but as you guys can see, this is the old package. It was also screw on top, but I kept it because I wanted to remind myself to purchase again. But I just haven't had the chance. So I was really excited when they sent to me because now I've been using it. And once I run out of this, I'm gonna run and buy it. It's a little up there in price, it's more high-end, but it's a totally worth investment because you can see results from first use. And I had bought in the past more expensive shampoos that I did not see results. So this one is unbelievable. It's so good. I've been using it for a whole month. It contains caviar extract, which is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. It has age control complex, which helps to slow down the natural aging and protects from the environment. It has sea silk, which is a blend of marine botanical extracts that are supposed to make your hair super soft. Another thing I've been loving about this product is that my ends are not as stiff because my hair is extremely dry right now. I have to cut it, but I haven't had a chance, and I have been lazy with my hair. That's the truth. I have been lazy with my hair. Besides regular shampoo, I was actually using my boyfriend's shampoo for a while, and I noticed my hair was getting super hard. You know when the ends are stiff, and it would not work if I didn't blow dry it or style it. That's why I have a lot of videos of my hair in a ponytail because my hair has been very challenging. But since I've got this, I'm enjoying my hair so much more because it has been so soft. And many times when I don't have time, I let it air dry and it has not been frizzy and dry, even though I air dried it. So I even have a video I can show you my hair here when I air dried it. Just testing out this shampoo, and it's amazing, guys. I actually air dry my hair and it's freeze free, and it's so nice and soft. I can stop touching my hair. And normally my hair, if it's air dry, is frizzy, is hard, is really weird. I have to blow dry it all the time. So it makes me really happy that I'm able to use the shampoo and just air dry my hair on the days that I'm lazy, and my hair still look presentable and super soft. Sephora always have samples of this online, like those little packages. When you purchase things online, you can add as a sample, and they start carrying this line. So if you buy from Sephora online, make sure you check this out, ask for a sample, and you will see results from first use. It's that amazing. So I highly recommend this. I'm so in love. Now let's talk about lips. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have from videos, especially this last month, that my lips actually got plumper. No, I did not get fillers. I didn't get anything on my lips. All I've been using is this. It's the Genius Liquid Collagen Lip from Algenist. You probably have heard me talk about the collagen line from Algenist on previous favorites, which is the serum, the face serum. I still use that. I love it, and definitely works. It's still my holy grail. So when they came up with the lip one, I was a little skeptical. I was like, I really don't care much about lip plumping, but as I'm getting older, I'm noticing some little fine lines around my lips, and I was trying to use it as prevention, but I never expected to actually get bigger lips because, I don't know, I feel like my lips are fine. I don't need to get them bigger. But I've been quite enjoying it. This is not like those lip plumpers that you put it on and you feel the tingling and you see the results right away. You kind of have to use it daily. But I could say that I definitely have seen results, especially on the fine lines around my lips. They're very tiny. You cannot see on camera. But as I'm getting older, I want to prevent fine lines. And I love the applicator too, because all you do is like do one click and you have enough to apply on both sides of the lips, and it tastes a little sweet. It has a little bit of a peppermint taste, but it's not tingling. It doesn't hurt. And I have definitely seen results. But if you're looking for something that plumps a little bit and has anti-aging properties, this is definitely a good one. It won't make your lips like Kylie Jenner type of lips. This won't do that, but I definitely saw more volume, and I've been using for a month. So I highly, highly recommend. And also follow with a lip balm or lip moisturizer, because it is not moisturizing. It is a lip treatment and is not replacement for your lip balm or lip masks or anything like that. It's just a anti-aging treatment for your lips. So definitely check it out. Now let's talk about skincare. And I'm going to start with masks. And these 2 sheet masks I have been loving. I have a new series on my channel called Mask Mondays, where I put masks to the test and I show you like not just the first use, but like a week worth of results, so you guys can see like how my skin feels, if it broke me out. Definitely check out that series, and I review these 2 masks. I review other masks that I didn't like, but these 2 definitely have become my favorite this month. So this one is the Lace Your Face from Dermovia. This is almost like a lace face mask. It's super interesting texture, and you can use multiple times, and it's so good, guys. Like, I definitely felt my skin plumped and glowy throughout the whole week. And I have a whole video showing my skin, the before and afters, and the whole like multiple uses on my Mask Mondays, and I'll leave the link on the description box below so you guys can check it out, that in-depth review. But it definitely made my favorite this month. I will continue to use it. Actually, this is already a repurchase. This other one was also a fun thing to try it out from Mask Mondays, from Neogen Dermatology, and it's called Pink Cactus Lift Mask Knit Mask. And this was so much fun to try because it has a neck extension that actually stays on. And my face was so plumped and glowy. On my Mask Monday review, I kind of overused it because I wanted to test it out. On that series, I like to test the mask to the max so you guys can see how many uses you can get from the mask. But if you just use it as instructed, which is one-time use, it doesn't break you out. So even though it did break me out after using multiple times, I still love it because it didn't break me out from the first use. It was user error, because it's a very nourishing mask. So too much nourishing also can be bad for your skin. But using in the winter, especially if you're dry now in the winter and if you're needing moisture or glow, it's so good. And my neck felt amazing as well. I love that it has a neck extension and a very, very interesting texture. So I'll leave all the reviews on the description box below if you want to watch the full review, but it definitely made into my monthly favorites. I will continue to use it and I'm in love. And now to my last favorite, which is the Skin Deva 100% Pure Hyaluronic Acid. This was sent to me by Skin Deva for review, but as you guys know, I love hyaluronic acid. I actually have a DIY hyaluronic acid on my channel that is amazing, and hyaluronic acid is one of the ingredients that I truly believe you can see results for the first use. But this serum is really good, especially since I've tried other hyaluronic acids before. I love that this one dry quick, it doesn't have parabens, it doesn't have fillers, they're cruelty-free, GMO-free, vegan. They sent me some more products that I'm testing right now, but I like to test one at a time because I really like to give enough time to see how my skin feels with each product. And so far, I only got to test the hyaluronic acid. I've used it for the whole month, and it's so good, guys. I really feel like you see results from first use. It is super light serum. You put it before your moisturizer, and you can feel right away all the fine lines like plumped up, and I really enjoy using it. So if you have a chance, definitely check it out. So this is it, guys. This is everything I've been loving in beauty this month. And make sure to comment below what are your favorite products that you've been loving. I love your suggestions. I've actually had amazing suggestions of products in past videos that I still use. So make sure to comment below because I really love hearing your suggestions. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.